Welcome. Today we're going to make something that's gonna change your life. Vegan saltfish, aka saltish. Let's go.
The vibe.
Here are the simple ingredients that you're going to need: hearts of parm, water, nori flakes, and salt. That's it. You may wonder why Caribbean folks use so much saltfish in their cuisine. And here is a little backstory to help you understand why. Saltfish is a staple in Caribbean cuisine and was first introduced to the islands in the 16th century as dried fish and 17th century as saltfish. Since saltfish was an inexpensive source of protein at the time, it was imported by the slave owner to feed their slaves. You see, saltfish has been the sustainer of the slaves in the Caribbean as it was their main source of protein, which helped to give them enough energy and strength to work long and hard days in the fields. Even after the abolition of slavery, saltfish remained one of the cheapest protein available for the ex-slaves who had no money. And as indentured servants from India and China were introduced to the islands, they too incorporate saltfish within their diets. As you hop from island to island, you will notice how the humble saltfish come to life. From Jamaican Achian saltfish, Bajan fish cake, St. Lucian saltfish and fig, Vincentian saltfish salad, and Trinidadian saltfish boljol, just to name a few. All of these dishes are good to the last drop, so why not recreate them vegan style? The vegan saltfish will bring life to all your favorite from around the islands. There you have it, a little history lesson in a snap. Now back to the recipe. Let's get prepping. I like to cut my palm shoot from an angle so that you get that classic look of saltfish. After slicing it, you could use your finger to tear it apart, to pull it apart so that it have that stringy, flaky look that saltfish tend to have. After slicing your palm shoot, you want to add it to a mason jar or a container that you have a cover for. And then you want to add your nori flakes, salt, and water. And you want to let it sit in your refrigerator for up to 3 hours or a day. I tend to let mine sit for 2 days or 3 days, and I found out that the longer I let it sit, it's the more intense and saltish like the flavors become. When you're ready to use your saltish, just rinse it a couple times to get rid of some of the excess salt. You don't want to get it super fresh. You don't want to get rid of all the salt, but just leave a little in it so that it will salt the dish that you're making. A little nori flakes will remain on your saltish, but don't worry about it. It brings this extra flavor to the dish. I promise you, it tastes amazing. There you have it, your vegan salt-ish. Now ready for all your favorite Caribbean dishes. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend. Until next time, walk good.